When it comes to your face card, most guys think it's genetics. Sharp jawline? Genetics. Clear skin? Genetics. Attractive look? Must be genetics. Wrong. Your face card isn't luck, it's strategy. And once you understand how it really works, you'll realize it's something you can build. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Drop the fat, reveal the structure. If your face looks soft, bloated, or undefined, it's not because your bone structure is bad. It's because it's buried under a layer of fat. When your body fat's high, fat stores around your cheeks, under your jaw, even under your eyes. That's why you look rounder in photos even with good lighting. But when you cut from 20% body fat to around 12 to 15%, everything changes. Your jawline carves out, your cheekbones show, and your eyes look sharper. People literally start double taking because your facial structure finally shows. Here's how you do it. Calorie control. Eat slightly below maintenance. Track it, even roughly. Protein first. 1 gram per pound body weight. It keeps muscle and tightens your look. Strength train. Cardio helps, but lifting reshapes your face by changing your hormone balance. 2. Clean equals sharp. You can have perfect bone structure, but if your skin, hair, and grooming are messy, your face card collapses. Start with skin. You don't need 10 steps. You need 3. Use a gentle cleanser and moisturizer twice a day, and SPF in the morning. Links to the products are in the description. And no, that's not a sponsorship. Then grooming. If your beard is patchy, shave it clean. If it's full, shape it, and keep the neckline sharp. Don't let it grow wild. A well-groomed appearance always attracts women's attention. And haircuts? Do every 2 to 3 weeks max. A clean fade keeps your face structured. In this video, you can find a haircut that suits your facial features. You'll be shocked how much better your face looks after a fresh cut. Oral hygiene. White teeth change everything. They make you look cleaner, richer, and more confident. Brush, floss, tongue scrape. Let us know in the comments if you need a detailed guide on how to make your teeth naturally white at home. 3. Fix your posture. This is the most underrated face hack out there. When you slouch, your neck folds, your jawline disappears, and your face looks tired. When you stand tall, shoulders back, chin slightly up, your jawline literally appears. Try it right now in the mirror. Start training your neck twice a week. Neck curls and extensions. It builds that masculine neck thickness and gives your head a strong frame. 4. Mewing, chewing, and recovery. You've probably heard about mewing, and yeah, it works. Keep your tongue pressed to the roof of your mouth, lips sealed, teeth lightly touching. It trains your jawline and improves your facial posture over time. Pair that with chewing hard foods, real meat, nuts, carrots, not soft junk food. Chewing trains your masseter muscles, which gives your lower face that carved look. And finally, sleep. If you sleep face down, your cheeks puff up and your face looks swollen every morning. Sleep on your back with your head slightly elevated. You'll wake up looking tighter and more defined. 5. The clean aura, smell, and confidence. Here's the thing no one tells you. The best face card doesn't just look good, it feels good. A clean masculine scent makes people associate it with you. It's invisible power. Don't overdo it. 1 or 2 sprays of a fresh, grounded fragrance is all you need. And finally, confidence. Because the truth is, the most attractive face isn't always the most symmetrical. It's the most self-assured. A guy who walks like a king is also treated like a king. In the first 3 seconds people see you, your face decides how they treat you and whether they even take you seriously. So take facial care seriously. If this video gave you value, subscribe and watch the next video here. Peace.